GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment engine camshaft position sensor monitors the rotational position of the camshafts, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. It provides a signal to the engine control module, which compares the camshaft position with the crankshaft position to determine ignition and fuel injection timing. This original equipment engine camshaft position sensor has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Very hard to install, but it does solve the error code. I have hundreds of hours doing do-it-myself work on my cars over the years, but getting the crank pulley pulled out enough, even with a puller, was one of my toughest jobs. This certainly fixed the problem with my Avalanche, and it's running great again. Please do yourself a favor and only get OEM, ACDelco, parts. This is not the job you want to do again, because a less than -$40 sensor from some third-party Asian company cut corners and didn't have the quality of this one.